Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher Hazel, and we have science class today. So, our topic is about animals that are grouped according to their characteristics. So, we have six. The first one is amphibians, reptiles, fish, birds, mammals, and insects. Let's first go to mammals. So, people are mammals. Pets like dogs, cats, and animals like horses, duckbill, kangaroos, dolphins, and whales. So, what do all these animals have in common, you ask? The answer is milk. If an animal drinks milk, it is a baby and has hair on its body. It belongs to the mammal class. Next one is birds. Birds are animals that have feathers and that are born out of hard shelled eggs. Some people think that what makes an animal a bird is its wings. Bats have wings, flies have wings. Bats and flies are not birds. So, what makes an animal a bird? The answer is feathers. All birds have feathers, and birds are the only animals that do. The feathers on a bird's wings and tails overlap. Because they overlap, the feather catches and holds the air. This helps the bird fly and steers itself and fly. So we'll go to the next one, fish. Fish are animals that live in water and have gills, scales, and fins on their bodies. There are a lot of different fish, and many of them look very odd indeed. There are blind fish, fish with noses like elephants, and even fish that crawl onto land and hop about. Reptiles. Reptiles are a class of animal with scaly skin. They are cold-blooded and are born on land. So they eat meat as well. Snakes, lizards, crocodiles, alligators, and turtles are all the ones that belong to the reptile class. Let's go now to the next one. Amphibians. Amphibians are born in the water. When they are born, they breathe with gills like a fish. But when they grow up, they develop lungs and can live on land. So, meaning to say, amphibians can live on land and water. Now, let's go to the next one, which are insects. So, what are insects? Insects are animals that have antenna. What is antenna? It's like two horns like that. That's what you call antenna. So what are insects again? They are animals that have antenna. So let's go to the examples of insects. The body have three body parts. They have head, thorax, and abdomen. The legs of insects have three pairs of jointed legs attached to the thorax. Wings. Most insects have one or two pairs of wings, but some are wingless. Antenna, the one that I said a while ago, insects have one pair of antenna on their head. Mouth. So their mouth have a typical lower jaw and upper jaw. Insects are the most diverse group of animals, with a million described species. The word insect comes from the Latin word which means divided or segmented because they have parts or division on their bodies. Some examples of insects include ants, bees, butterflies, flies, ladybugs, and mosquitoes. Thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye.